Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney, back at it again with another tutorial. Let's get into this cut crease, y'all. Okay, first we're gonna start using the Sugar Sweet Cosmetics Dose of Me palette in the shade Starla. This is gonna be my first transition shade. I'm just gonna pack that on my eyelid. Okay guys, I have no idea where the clip went for my second transition shade, but I used the color Plum from the Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette. Now I'm using the shade Simone, and I'm putting that in my crease, and I'm blending it out. Blend, girl, blend. I am now cutting my crease with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0. Taking the shade Am. I am packing that on my lid. I am now taking the shade Chai or Kai, I don't know how to pronounce that, but from Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm mixing that in with Am. I am now about to pop on these lashes for Pretty and Lux in the style Diva. Yes. Ooh, yes, girl. To prime my face, I'm using the Hydrating Primer by Shine by SD, because the girl is dry. Do you feel me? Now I'm adding the Valjean Labs Glow Facial Serum, just to add, you know, a little glow to my face. The foundation I'm using is CoverGirl True Bling Matte in the shade D80. Okay, but can we get into the Sugar Sweet Cosmetics Contour Cream Kit in D? Yo, this stuff is so creamy and it blends out wonderfully. Now I'm going in with my favorite translucent powder by Midnight Cosmetics Chestnut. Yo, I be getting what? I be getting overly excited when I be baking. The contour, I'm using Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. To blend out my contour and my setting powder, I'm using Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder and Milk Chocolate Finish. To blind these people, I'm going to be using 52 Cosmetics Speechless Powder Highlighter in the shade Honey. For my lips, I'm using Glitz Cosmetics Lip Gloss and Blush Nude and Sugar Sweet Cosmetics Wet Shiny Lip Cream and Queen Bee. And spraying my face with Pixie Beauty's Rose Glow Mist. Alright y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun making it. I will catch y'all later on the next one. Oh.